Man, I need to find a place to stay. I've heard talk of scoring mansions for $1, but I think I know a different way to get any house I could ever want completely free. I ain't talking no vacant house hunting with squatter rights, because I got a better plan. How dare someone expect money for their used home? I'm gonna steal this shit.
Yeah, I posted the ad myself. I don't need no damn real estate agent. I used to sell cars.
Oh yeah, then you can for sure handle this sale.
See, you old bitch. He gets what I'm talking about.
So what's the specs, Doc?
Well, you see, we got a 2-car garage, finished basement, modern kitchen.
Get in.
Excuse me? What was that, Sonny?
You heard me. Get in.
No way, buckaroo.
Get the fuck in the pot, man.
Honey, get my gun.
Too late, honey. I said get in the pot, old man. Unless you want your wife to go first.
Yes, have her. She loves to garden. No, why? Not my wife.
So are you gonna plant your feet, or am I gonna have to do it for you?
No, why are you doing this?
You really haven't figured it out yet, have you?
How would I?
Fine, I'll let you in on the scheme I'm running. I planned on turning you kind folks into plants, so I could steal your home and collect your 401ks.
Wait, my 401k? No way, Bob.
Son of a bitch!
Touch a man's wife, he'll cry. Touch a man's money, and you'll, well, I'm gonna shoot ya.
Fuck! Oh, what a terrible nightmare. I'm never gonna be a homeowner.